Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are growing spring onions from leftovers. These spring onions I cut about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see they have grown quite a lot. And these are ones that I just cut a couple of days ago. We're going to leave these and we're going to let them grow for a couple more weeks, but we're going to repot these. So all these green bits are just more green beans that we can eat. I'm going to cut these off before we replant them, and we're going to have them on a sandwich later. They're now trimmed and these are ready to be potted up. To get your spring onions to this point, you just need to get some shop bought spring onions, cut about 2.5 inches or something. Pop them in water like this, and then just leave these on a windowsill for like 2 weeks. Don't really leave them longer than that because they'll go a bit mushy. And then you end up with these, and then this is what we pot up. So I've got these pots. How many spring onions have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think I'll do 3 in one pot, 3 in 2 pots, 2 in another. Apparently they don't need a lot of space. The roots just go down anyway, so it should be okay to have 3 in this, but I will see what the roots look like and if I need to change that in the future. I've got my little poker. Actually, I may just water the soil a little bit first. It's really dry. Now we'll just poke 3 holes in. Again, gently. We'll just use the poker to gently push the roots in. We don't want to bury it too deep. Just want it like that, just the roots. Gently push the roots down. And there we go. All planted. So the spring onions had a little accident. Oh no, that one's okay. This one does not look okay. Oh goodness. Nightmare. After the little accident, I fixed that one, and now they're all going to sit in the greenhouse and grow, and then we'll come back in a couple of weeks and we'll eat them. Hi, Hayley here. If you're enjoying this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. It's been 2 weeks since we planted these up, and as you can see we have lots of growth on all of them, and even these that haven't even been in soil, lots of growth. So now let's eat them. Here, the little baby ones growing there, so we're not going to cut them. I'm not going to cut these because we won't eat them yet, but these will just now grow again. They'll just keep growing. And that's how easy it is to regrow spring onions from ones you can buy in the supermarket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.